Amazon is having record-breaking years specifically for selling books, ebooks, and audiobooks. There couldn't be a better time to be in this business than right now in 2026. So the first stat that I want to talk about is Amazon's global KU fund. So this is a fund that pays out authors based on page reach. So it's just one of the many ways that you can earn money through Amazon KDP. And this has been increasing month over month. So for the last reporting in May, authors earned just over $70 million in royalties from just Kindle Unlimited. So that's just one source of revenue that Amazon's paying out, earned royalties. It was over $70 million in May. And keep in mind, Kindle Unlimited is like the worst way to earn money from Amazon. It's the worst, it's the lowest one. So that doesn't even take into account actual book sales, actual audiobook sales, or actual ebook sales as well. So to give you some more stats, the Kindle Unlimited fund that I just talked about, it grew from July 2014 from $2.5 million a month to, well, like what I just said, it was May of 2026 to over $70 million a month. So Amazon pays out over $520 million every year, and that's been increasing every year to independent authors or publishers like myself. Every single year. That's over $500 million in royalties that Amazon's paying out to independent authors and publishers. Self-published titles on Amazon has grew from just under 4,000 self-published titles in 2007 to over 3.5 million self-published titles in 2024. And to kind of give you an idea on how big the self-published space is compared to traditionally published books, in 2023, there was 500,000 self-published works available versus 10,000 from traditional publishers. That's a ratio of 50 to 1. So if anyone thinks that you have to go the traditional published route now to get your writing out or anything like that, that's just laughable. Self-published is the way to go if you want to make money. And they're predicting that the self-published market is going to hit 6.16 billion with a B by 2033. So there's just more and more projected growth coming up over the next couple of years for us. Audiobooks alone have seen a 14 consecutive year of double-digit growth from 2012 to 2025. And I think this stat is so key for audiobooks. It's the share of US adults who have listened to an audiobook. Back in 2015, it was only 30% of US adults have listened to an audiobook, to now it's over 51%. That's 100% growth. What does all of this mean? This just means there's more people ever buying books, ebooks, and audiobooks on Amazon than ever before. The market is not slowing down whatsoever.